Our last gig was good, but we got to raise the bar. We got to take it to the next level, man. How do we do that? We need more power. We need more oomph, man. We need a drummer.
All right, let's do it.